Although there has been significant improvements in maternal and child mortality rates, current rates continue to be a public health concern. You may note, Your Excellency, that the country loses as many as 15 mothers every week, and that neonatal mortality is extremely high, contributing to more than 40% to under 5 mortality rates. It is therefore clear that additional investments are required to strengthen the provision of maternal, child, newborn, adolescent health and nutritional services in order to reduce morbidity and mortality.
As the United Nations family in Zambia, let me pledge our commitment to supporting the government through the multi-sectoral response plan, and our support is provided through the established response structure across 9 pillars to ensure a coordinated response and the mobilization of resources. As the United Nations family in Zambia, let me pledge our commitment to supporting the government through the multi-sectoral response plan, and our support is provided through the established response structure across 9 pillars to ensure a coordinated response and the mobilization of resources. Time doesn't allow me today to detail the full extent of UN support so far, but in summary, we have been providing technical support to many parts of the health responsible, including supporting sector coordination, bringing in supplies, including 107,000 COVID-19 tests, repairing oxygen plants at 3 hospitals, and bringing in 358 sets of oxygen concentrators and cylinders, training lab technicians, boosting infection prevention and control measures at isolation facilities and health centers, connecting water and power supplies at Levi Mwanawasa Hospital, and bringing in PPE, including nearly 1.7 million pairs of gloves and 700,000 masks. In addition, Honorable Minister, we play a key supporting role in the area of risk communication and community engagement, and have produced hundreds of thousands of posters, commissioned billboards and radio and television spots, and supported districts' health officers in their outreach work with community-based volunteers.